In this video, we are going to see how we can generate the tables in Copilot. So we can easily create tables with columns and arrange them in orders or sort them. We can specify anything related to the tables in Copilot. So let's see. So although you can also create some charts for your analysis as well, but that is the feature of Copilot Pro version. In the free version, we can only generate the tables that we are going to see right now. So right now I am using the Brave browser, but if you want to use the Edge browser as well, you can do that, or even any other browser like Chrome browser, you can use any of them. So let's say if you want to generate a table using the Excel type of format that you can directly import or export in Excel using the Copilot. Let's say I want some raw data. So I can just specify that, create a table with 5 columns and 20 rows with raw data in Excel format. So you can just design your specifications. The more you write, the more accurate results it will produce. So we will just check that it generates automatically raw data or not. So it has generated some raw data, but it's only given column A, column B and all. So you can customize this. But the best part is, since it is Copilot, which is linked to all the Microsoft applications, you can just directly export it in Excel or edit with Excel. If we click on Excel sign here, it will export it directly and you can simply view it from here. Now this one is a OneDrive format, but if we download this, let's say as CSV, it will be opened in your default Excel. So it depends how detailed data you provide. Since now it has only generated the format, but if you want to specify further, you can just use this type of command which says create a table showing data of the salesperson, showing records of sales of beverages in different areas of US. So mention salesperson name, area, sales made and beverage name. So I want to create 4 columns and 20 rows with raw data in Excel format. So let's see. Now since this is free version, we will not expect much with it. But as we can see here, although it doesn't specify or show all the details, again because it is a free version, it has only given sample of 4 rows, but that is perfect. It has mentioned the salesperson's name, area, sales made and the beverage name. So you can edit this in Excel and here are the results. We can use the same format to write our data. Similarly, if you want to create a table for some public information, you can also do this. Let's say I want to create a table of top 5 footballers in the world with their record in Excel format, let's say. So what it will do is it will directly collect the data from the internet and it will create some data for you. And you can see here that it has ranked the footballers, the world records and all the details about it. So if you want to export this in Excel, you can easily do this by here. And we can also adjust the order in which they are arranged. For example, rearrange. I will only write rearrange in footballer, then rank, then world records, and I'll write sequence here. So now we can see that the footballer name comes first, then rank, and then world records. So in this way, we can easily generate some records of the tables that we can export directly in Excel. Just try it by yourself and I will see you in the next one.